Hey, so I was thinking to vlog iced tea.
That is not correct.
How to make iced chai latte. Anyways, my name is Charlotte. First, what you want is to heat up a pot. I'll show you what pot. Like the size of this pot, like the size of my head, kind of. And you want to boil water and get. They look like this. You can get them off of Amazon. And they're chai spice latte, like black tea. They have caffeine, so helps you work through the day instead of like drinking coffee. Well, you can still have coffee, but Anyways, but you put like 5 of them in the pot with boiling water. And let it boil for a while, and then you take it out. You could put it in this glass and sit it out till it cools, and then put it in the fridge. And it's cold. But what you want to do is take a glass, any glass. I use this type of jar. Okay, then once you get the ice, you want to open up your jar and pour like that much. Can't pour more. This side, and okay, then you want to have half and half, which is for, it's like milk but for keto, I think. And cinnamon, and like 2 packets of this, I think. I don't know, the Eco Original sugar. So it's like healthier, 0 calories. And then my parents and most people can put nutmeg, but I don't, so goodbye. Here, I'll get this low view. That's good. See, it has that cool vibe, Then you put, the sugar, the Starburst to make it smaller, yeah. I don't know. You pour 2 packets of this. You want it sweet. And if you want to know got a big whiff of the sugar, but iced chai latte at Starbucks, and you can home make it, but it's keto friendly. So for all you keto friendly people or keto gals, it's good. You grab metal straw. You want to stir it. And then on top, you put cinnamon. You want to put, a good amount. Once you add that, it's optional if you want to have sugar, or not sugar, cinnamon. Stir it around. So it's kind of like a pumpkin spice. Well, not pumpkin spice, but you can add pumpkin spice, but cinnamon. I heard if you add nutmeg, it's like cinnamon, or not cinnamon, it's like Christmassy. I don't know, I personally don't like nutmeg. That's how you make an iced chai latte. It's super delicious, has caffeine, make you stay up. Hope you liked the video. Peace out.
Put it on me, babe. I beat.